Jai Hind friends, I welcome you all on the channel of Defense Pathway. Today we will see the tricks of trigonometry. We will see how the tough questions could be solved within seconds with clicks. Now before starting the video, I would like you all to pause the video here and solve this question. Okay, hopefully you would have solved it. But if you go on by doing it with traditional method like multiplying it by 2 then dividing it by 2, it would take very much long time, and in the examination you don't have so much of time, that much of time that you could give to this question only. You have to do rest questions. So I will give you the tricks which could be solved, this question could be solved within the seconds. Now before starting the video, I would like to recommend you that please read all the formulas of trigonometry. That is only the key, because this tricks will only work if you know the formula. If you know what is sine 2, if you know what is cos 2, then only you could use these tricks. Okay, so learn it, and if you have learned it, then very good. Now see the tricks. Okay, if you look to this particular question, you will see a pattern here. What is this pattern? This sine 20 is sine 20. Okay, sine 20 into sine 40. I will write it as sine 60 minus 20 degree into, and now this sine 80 I could write it as into, I will write here, into sine 60 plus 20 degree. Okay, now if I write it like this, that sine, if I write this as sine A, means let A is equal to 20 degree, then sine A into sine 60 minus A into sine 60 plus A. Okay, if you see any question like this, then there is one formula which is applicable for every question, means such questions like this, that it is nothing but 1 by 4 into sine 3 theta or sine 3a, means you take this 20 of a. Okay, now here a is 20 degree, so 1 by 4 into sine 20 degree into 3, because 3 theta 3 3. This is nothing but 1 by 4 into sine 60 degree. Okay, now sine 60 degree is nothing but 1 by 4 into root 3 by 2, right? Now I get this as root 3 by a, because 8. So C is the answer. Look how easily you would have done. And same is the case with cos. If here it is given that cos 20 degree, means cos 20 degree, then it's nothing. You will have just give here that suppose means let the question come like this: cos 20 degree into cos 60 degree into cos 80 degree. You have to do nothing here, just put here cos 1 by 4 cos 3a. This will come as 1 by 4 into cos 30 degree. Okay, and this is nothing but 1 by 4 into 1 by 2, which will come as 1 by a. So it's a very easy formula. Hopefully you would have understood the first trick, and if you didn't understand, then please rewind the video. You will definitely understand it, because it's a very easy tricks, and I will provide the PDF. After reading the tricks and the examples, you will definitely understand. So let's come to the second one. This is the question: tan 5 theta into tan 4 theta is equal to 1. Then what is tan 6 theta asking? If you go by the traditional method, then it will take very long time and you will waste time. Now, if I say you just remember 3 things in exams and many questions will be done. Remember this thing, that if tan theta 1 tan theta 2 is equal to 1, or cot theta 1 into cot theta 2 is equal to 1, then theta 1 plus theta 2 is equal to 90 degree. Here what we have, tan theta 1, let theta 1, 5 theta be theta 1, 4 theta be theta 2, that is equal to 1. Now if I know that if tan theta 1 into tan theta 2 is equal to 1, then theta 1 plus theta 2 is equal to 90 degree. So 5 theta plus 4 theta is equal to 90 degree. Okay, now this is nothing but 9 theta is equal to 90 degree, right? It's 9 theta, yeah. Then theta is equal to 10 degree, right? You have understood that theta is equal to 10 degree. Then what is they asked? It's just tan 6 theta, right now. So tan 6 theta is nothing but theta is equal to 10 degree. Then tan 6 into 10 degree, right? Which is equal to tan 60 degree, right? And tan 60 degree, you all know it is root 3. How much seconds we have taken to solve this question? And if you go it by traditional method and letting it, and it will go very long. So remember just 3 things. Same could be reversed with cot theta too. If we get cot 5 theta into cot 4 theta is equal to 1, then we will do the same thing. Then 5 theta and 4 theta, 5 theta plus 4 theta is equal to 1. Okay? Here don't confuse with these points. These points are here multiplied. Right? Means some here na. That's all it. So 5 to the same thing we will do here also. I think you have understood this trick, and it's very easy. Remember, just remember the 3 things. And if you check any PYQs, whether it be NDA, IIT, JEE Mains or advanced, any maths which is this question. Now this type of questions are real nightmare. I grant you time. Go and solve it. Solve it. Okay. Hopefully you would have solved it. Then if you have solved it by traditional method, then you would know how much time this question have taken to solve. But this question could be solved with help of these options only within 10 seconds. Look how. I know that answer is from these 4 options only. Okay. So I let alpha is equal to 30 degree and beta is equal to 60 degree. Okay. Now if I let this angle, what will come? So now sin alpha means sin theta 1 by 2 plus sin beta sin 60 degree root 3 by 2, right? Same with cos alpha root 30 root 3 by 2 plus cos beta root 3 cos beta cos 60, that is 1 by 2. Okay, this could be cancelled and it will come as 1, right? Now this method is called substitution method. Okay, I will tell you afterwards. Look how. Now this is 1. I let alpha is equal to 30 and beta is equal to 60 degree. Look from the options. If I put it here, sin alpha plus beta, 60 plus 30, 90 by 2, sin 45. Sin 45 is 1 by root 2. It's not 1, so this option is not. Okay. If we look for sin cos, then cos 90 by 2, cos 45, this is also 1 by root 2. So this is also not the option. If I look for the tan, then tan alpha plus beta means 30 plus 60, 90 by 2, tan 45. Tan 45 degree is 1. Okay. So this option is correct. Look how much in simple way we have done. And I will tell you some restrictions. You can take this angle as 0, 90, anything you want, 30, 45, anything which you wish. But remember one thing. Let your angles, if you let it 0 or 30 degree, remember that this denominator section should never be equal to 0. If you are let it substitute, this method is called substitution method because we substitute the values here, but that substitution should not come here as 0. Means your denominator should never be 0. If I let here 0 and 0, so if I let here 90, 90, means alpha is equal to 90 and beta is equal to 90. Then this will come as 0 because 0 plus 0, but we don't want 0. So remember this thing that 0 should not come. So this is the last type of trigonometrics, which is of properties of triangle. Most of the aspirants think that we should leave this chapter, but it is not true. You must understand how it could be solved. So here we are given ABC are angles of a triangle. Let A is equal to B is equal to C. Let triangle be equal to triangle. Okay. Then angle A is equal to angle B is equal to angle C is equal to 60 degree. Okay. Now because we are just letting it, who is coming and saying to us that no, you can't take equilateral triangle. There is nowhere given it here. Okay. So cos 2a means cos 2a plus b, since these are equal, so I put 3 here. Cos 2 into 60 degree, right? So 3 into cos 120 degree. This is nothing but 3 into cos 120 is minus 1 by 2. Right? Because remember here, consider this quadrant pi by 2, then pi, 3 pi by 2, and this is 360. Okay, means 2 pi. Okay, cos 120 means cos 90 plus 30 degree, right? Now 90 plus 30 degree, this will come in this quadrant, and here we know that that cos is negative, and cos 90 plus theta is sin theta. Cos 90 plus theta is sin theta, so we have to take sine of minus 30 degree, right? Because now means minus 30 degree, so it's minus 1 by 2. So minus 1 by 2, this will come minus 3 by 2. So this is the answer. And this, I don't know why this silly chapter they are thinking of leaving. Okay, we have, but remember one thing, we should take equilateral triangle only. We should take all the angles equal only when there is no restrictions are given. Somewhere it is given that A is equal to 2B plus C. Like this it is given. So remember the concept like cosine rule, sine rule. You must remember this, because then only you could be solved. Okay. I hope that you all would have liked this video. Then if you have understood at least 1% of it, please share it, because that will reflect your OLQs. Because if you are sharing this, you are helping to an aspirant who is thinking of leaving the trigonometry chapter and who is thinking it as a burden. So please share this video. Okay, and after all, I request you all to join our Telegram channel of Defense Pathway. I will upload this PDF there, and you can definitely check it from there. And wait, my future plans are, I will upload every tricks. Next video will be of something very big, so stay tuned, subscribe this channel. Jai Hind.